buyer side, but I'm down 800 shares. It's between 75 and 80 cents on the upside. So above 80 cents, I'll cover everything. And below 70, I'm going to see if we can get down to the half, because enough volume's been done where I think that that 65 level doesn't matter anymore. So now 80 just big prints, and then they immediately step lower. So that's cool. So now 80 is going to be tested again. See what happens with the guy. So Island keeps selling a lot more than he's showing. I'll go some more prints. So if you've noticed, another 2 million have been done in this 10-cent range. So figure one move one way or the other will be pretty explosive. $80 still holding the offer. Go 80. So now F&M came with a big offer. I'm not trading that stock, just listening to people call it out on the desk, make a couple bucks. I have my buy stop in FITB in case that 80 lifts and I'm in Fannie Mae. But I only have my buy stop in for half, because sometimes when I find an unusual hold on the offer, he'll lift and then come right back. So I'll only do half. So now some people are joining this guy in the offer. So there he broke, and I covered 100 shares on the initial down move, and then I covered another 100 in front of that 50, and then I figure it'll go test its pre-market lows, and I thought it would follow through to the downside. I guess I get a little greedy here, so I figure next stop 25, not 35, and down here my risk reward isn't too favorable, so I kind of traded this poorly. I should have covered some 38, but I don't know, I figure enough volume was done higher that there'll be some panic now. And I don't know, there's more panic at the end of the day, but I see that they're not really clearing offers too quickly under 50 cents, so I'm not really too quick to cover. I cover a little bit when they lift that 50. When it comes back down to 50 cents, I think I covered. Can't remember. So I covered 400 shares there when they printed through the 50. Oh no, I'm sorry, I paid 51 for them. So I have 200 shares left, and I was thinking they're going to break through 50 again. I don't think they really can hold under 50, so I think I end up getting out at like 52, and that's pretty much it. It ended up being a pretty good trade. I was happy with it because I didn't flip my plan. My plan stayed my plan the entire way. So I wish I covered a little bit more in the low 30s, but I wasn't going for that as the bottom. It didn't really look like the bottom. I was thinking that when something on the open spikes down that quickly, then the sellers will kind of be a little more patient, and then they'll slowly go through that low again. And that was basically the end of that trade. I mean, I guess in hindsight, I should have covered more. 15 cents lower. 15 on 60 cents is pretty good. And 600 shares, but I didn't. But I'm still happy with my trade. And that's pretty much it. All the levels were mentioned in the morning meeting, and then I had my plan through. I set my alerts for 78 cents because I saw 80 hold the offer, and then that's the next trade I want to make in the stock. It goes up there, and then I end up shorting, and it ends up breaking. But later, when it broke through at 80 cents, there was a lot of money on the downside. So that's all I got. Thanks.